Hey everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to download and install Xbox desktop app in Windows. So let's get started. Just go to search and type for store. We'll be having the Microsoft Store. Just open it. Here just search for Xbox and we'll be having the Xbox app. Just look at the number of ratings over there. Now just click on get. This will take some time to download and install. Just be patient for a while. And once it is done, go to search and type Xbox. We'll be having the Xbox app shortcut. Just pin it to taskbar or have a desktop icon. Just open it now and sign in with your Microsoft account and we'll be getting the interface. That's a video, guys. Do check the playlist of my channel. Done a lot of videos in programming and AI tools. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.